Hello everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, I will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make our learning process more successful, more interesting and fun-filled for the students. The chapter that I am going to cover today is Mithi's House of Class 2. It is from the UP board. The number of the chapter is 3. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea that I am going to use today is Word C. This is a revision based idea. The innovation is that through the idea Word C, the students are able to revise concepts in a playful manner. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. The educator needs to make the following arrangements prior to conducting the activity. Miscellaneous, a box, it could be a cardboard box, one colorful chart paper for wrapping the box, blank paper slips, tape and scissors. Make sure that these are safety scissors to make the word C box. Today we are going to be covering the concept of shelter, that is the living places of animal, and the sound of animals by implementing the idea Word C. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the lesson meet his house have already been done. The educator needs to do the following before initiating the activity. Place the box of word C on the teacher's table and inform the students that we will be doing an interesting activity using this box. The educator will write maximum possible words from the chapter Meet His House on the board, distribute blank paper slips among the students, initiate the activity by giving the following information. Select one word from the board, write that word on your slip, fold your slip and put it in the box. After that, the educator will ask one student to come and pick one slip from the box and read aloud the word written on the slip. For example, the word dog is written on the slip. The student will come and read the word dog and tell that a dog lives in the kennel, because we are revising the concept of the living places of animals. And then the students will make the sound of an animal, that is Bobo. After that, the teacher might call another student, and in the same way the student will pick one chit from the box, and in the chit, for example, the name of the animal cat is written. Then the student will make the sound of the cat, meow. In the same way, this whole process will continue until all the students have participated. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter Meet His House. Respond orally in any language, including the sign language, to comprehension questions related to the concept being taught. The following key points are to be noted. Students may discuss and write different words in their individual slips. The implementation time of this idea can vary from, depending on the strength and the availability of the students in the classroom. This activity ensures the active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning process. As discussed in NCF 2005, as NCF 2005 firmly believes that every child comes with some pre-knowledge, thus this idea helps in gauging the pre-knowledge of the students. The students may discuss and write different words in their individual slips. Make sure that the discipline of the classroom is being maintained while this activity is being conducted. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking, effective communication, and interpersonal skills. Values that can be touched upon are acceptance, having an objective attitude toward other ideas, and practices that differ from your own. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.